Hey guys, welcome to my channel T-Star Bakings. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious protein and veg filled pizza. But first, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up after watching it. So guys, let's move straight into making this delicious protein and veg filled pizza. Follow me up! First, we will start by making the pizza dough. Put in your yeast, your sugar, and your warm water. Give it a quick and thorough stir and cover it with a plastic wrap to proof for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later and it's ready. It looks perfect, guys. Add your oil. Get a sieve and sieve in your flour and add your salt. Sieve it through and start to stir with your spatula. The spatula isn't going to do all the work for you guys, so get your hands in there. Start to knead your dough, the bowl first, before later transferring it onto the cooking table. Knead your dough more, guys. You need it to have a soft and stretchy texture. The way I like to knead my dough is by pulling it and folding it. Pull, fold, pull, fold. Knead for 10 minutes until you can feel your dough now soft and stretchy. Get your bowl and brush it with a bit of oil so your dough doesn't stick to the bowl later when you try to take it out of a bowl. Cover your dough with a plastic wrap and let it sit for 1 more hour. Let's move to the pizza toppings. We'll be using broccoli. I've never seen a pizza with a broccoli, but I'm gonna try this. I just want to try new stuffs right now. We're also going to be using beetroots. Yep, I know. I've also never seen a pizza with beetroot, but we are exploring, right? There is no pizza without cheese, guys, so cheese has to be here too. We'll be using onions also. I've diced my onions already. We'll also be using sausages. Yum yum. I'll also be using powdered pepper, which we call yaji here, just for a little extra seasoning. Our beef and chicken here, I'll be using both just because I want to use a lot of protein. I'll definitely not go for a pizza that doesn't have green peppers. It's highly needed in my pizza. Just like cheese, there is no pizza without pizza sauce. And by the way, guys, this is homemade pizza sauce. And if you need the recipe for this, leave a comment down below. An hour later and our pizza dough is ready to become a pizza. I'll just share the pizza into 2 parts because I will be using the other part for another pizza. Give your pizza pan a dust of flour. You can roll out your dough or you can just push it to the pan till it reaches the edge of the pan and stays there. But I prefer to do both. I will roll it out, then push it to the edge of the pan till it stays there. Because the pizza dough is stretchy, as you can see, I am trying to push it to one side edge of the pan and another side is coming off. So you just have to keep trying till it stays put. At this point, you start to add your pizza toppings. Spreading your pizza sauce onto your rolled pizza dough. You don't need to over put this, guys, because too much of pizza sauce will lead to a soggy pizza. Add your cheese in there, your beef and chicken, your broccoli, the sausages, your green pepper, your beetroots, your onion rings, and more cheese, guys. Your grounded pepper. This is how it will look like after adding your toppings. As you can see, you don't need to add too much of toppings onto your pizza. Pop it to the oven and let it bake for 20 minutes. Voila! The star of today's video. Cut your pizza into slices and it's ready to serve. I used the other half of the dough to make a pizza in an irregular type of shape, a rectangle. And it looks nice, guys. I like it. Do make sure you explore your toppings and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you and bye. See you next time.